What's going on, everyone? Welcome once again to Mattie's Zone. For today we are going to unbox and review this figure. It's the Robocop glow-in-the-dark Comic Fest Halloween 2020 exclusive by Hiya Toys. And this figure, I bought it at a toy store near my place, and it's about 15 minutes drive. It is where I buy some of my toy collections as well. And this figure right here, it's only limited to 2,000. So I'm so lucky to have this figure. And Robocop, I've been watching this ever since it came out. So it's nice for me to have this figure. And I also have the original Robocop with the same scale. It's the 1/18th scale. And yes, we're gonna do a review. And alright guys, just follow me. So mga ka-zone, this is now the figure. Before we unbox it, let's just take a look at the box itself. So I like the box on this one, or the packaging, because you'll see inside there's a separate packaging for the figure inside, and outside box, right? So there's two packaging, it's protected. And I like the big window here. You can see the figure and see the glow-in-the-dark poster here of Robocop. And it says here, if you guys can read, official merchandise, Comic Fest Halloween October 31, 2020, and limited to 2,000. And it's by Hiya Toys. You can see inside the pistol, two sets of arms, and I don't know what is this. On the side, there's nothing there. You can see the side of the figure, and you'll see there the original Robocop. I like the font of Robocop. It's always been like this, so it's really nice. And it says here by Hiya Toys and China. It's a 2020, right? On the side, top of the box, Robocop, and at the bottom it says Robocop there as well. Okay, so now let us take him out of the box. Alright mga ka-zone, so because it's sealed, I'm gonna use a knife. You have to be very careful not to hurt yourself or cut yourself, right? So let's start here at the top of the box. Let's just cut this one off. And let's take this bad boy out. There. That's what I'm talking about, right? It's packed really well. And the box looks awesome too. There. And inside is this one here, so it's double packed, so which is really good. Now let us unbox him, take him out of the cage. Use this knife. And I have to be very careful. There. Okay, now before I throw this box, I like this Robocop glow-in-the-dark figure here. Nice. And yes, it says Robocop 2020. And this is, by the way, the base. And take him out. Oops. All right. Let's just put it back. I want to show it to you. Okay, see the pistol here, Robocop, set of hands, and this one here. Okay, and of course the base. Okay. Alright, Macazone, so this is Robocop out of the box, and let us measure the height. As you can see, it's 4 inches tall. It's a 1/18 scale, and the accessories that came with it: the pistol, not too many details, as it's a nice piece. You have this 2 here. I don't know what is this, 2 pieces here. I think it's letter H for Hiya toys, and set of hands there. This one here is for the pistol, right? There's no articulation on it. And the figure, we will try it later on, turn off the lights and see the glow on this figure. And let's remove it from the base. Like I said earlier, the base is really nice. Nice plastic, hard plastic, and very nice details here on the base. It's a little bit thick as well. And you have there the peg for one of his feet, so it stands, right? And now this is Robocop. Alright, so let us look first on the figure, the whole figure. Not too much details, maybe because of the glow in the dark. Can't see much of the details here, but it's really nice. Just have to be careful because some of the parts are small, they might break, like this one here, right? And it would have been nice also if we can remove the helmet, but that's not a big issue. And the only thing that I found out here is, you know, in the movie, in his right thigh there's a holster for the pistol, right? And here you don't have it, even just a pouch, right? So that's the figure. We'll try later on to turn off the lights. I mean, this has been exposed in my toy shelf or glass cabinet, so I don't know if it works, but we will see. Alright, now let's go with the articulation. The head, it just look up this much and look down that much, and the turn the head, it's really stiff. I don't want to force it that much in my brake, you know, but you guys can see it turned all the way around, right? And the arms both turns all the way 360, and this is how far it can go side to side, maybe because of this one here. If you can see, it's hindering the movement. And the elbow, you can see there the connection for both here. There's no bicep articulation, right? And it wiggles side to side a little bit here, and the arms, rotates all the way, and a little bit of up and down there, you can see it. And it has a nice ab crunch. See the waist and right here the diaphragm, which is good. And the waist rotates 360 degrees, and the hips, it goes like this, so it makes more poses, right? And it goes all around there, maybe because of the cut here, so it can turn all the way, right? And the knees, it doesn't go 90 degrees, it's lesser than that, and it cannot, I don't want to force it, right? And same with the right there. Okay, and you see they really made a good job here. You see it, like it's pumping on both there. It's good. And there is no toe articulation, but the thing is you can remove this, you see, so now you have more movement. You can also go side to side, right? I have to put it back there. Nice detail here, and the back as well, right? So as you can see, guys, this is the Robocop. It really glows in the dark and it's really nice. It looks more awesome than this one. Wow. So good job by Hiya Toys. Now you guys can see it really glows in the dark. No wonder it's only 2,000 figures that they made. And I was lucky to have this one. Wow. Good job. Alright guys. So there you go mga kazone. Unboxing and review of the Robocop 1/18 scale by Hiya Toys, and it's only limited to 2,000 figures, and it was released last year, so I'm really glad that I had this. I also have the original Robocop, and we're going to do unboxing and review of that figure on our upcoming videos. If you notice, I didn't put the gun on his right hand because I don't want to force it, because it's really stiff, right? I might break the gun or the arm, or the fingers I should say. So I just leave it that way. I think I need to heat it up to loosen the joints or the parts, right? So yes, there you go. Leave a comment down below, guys, to let me know what you guys think. If you can add more, then that's fine, and you want to do a shout out, just leave a comment down below, okay? So like and share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will get updated again on our next toy vlogs. Okay guys, have a nice day and take care.